Hello friend, and how are you holding up? Right there. Today we're gonna be discussing about the Ecom Stride Academy by Leon Green. I'm certain that you are here today to learn more about this program and know if it's the right one for you to go for. And that is what we're gonna be discussing right here in today's video tutorial. My name is Maverick, and I'm gonna be your reviewer for today. Now, talking about the Ecom Stride Academy, which is owned by Leon Green, is a dropshipping program whereby he promised to teach you how to use TikTok, Facebook, majorly social media adverts as a primary marketing strategy, which you can use to get traffic and sell a whole lot of your dropshipping product. Okay, so that is what Leon promised here, and he has promised to give you a comprehensive guide, okay, which you can use as a beginner to get started and immediately start making a whole lot of money from dropshipping. All right, now Leon is a reputable guy for real, because this guy, I've even seen him on several times on YouTube, whereby he has thousands of subscribers who are always ready to hear from him. So if he has a course on dropshipping, it's worth it, because he has tried also when it comes to giving value. So at least he should be able to create something for him to also make money, and also probably help more people in an advanced way. Okay, now clicking on this video, you're gonna listen to a whole from him, but I'm not gonna do that. Let's just scroll down, see what's up. You can see dropship successfully, no more finding products on your own that suck, how to properly test and scale with Facebook and TikTok. Like I told you, access to Amazon, Sam's Club, Walmart suppliers. It's gonna give you that also, and it's free. Scroll to the bottom to get access. However, nothing is free for life. Okay, you've got to pay something. Okay, so why you should learn from him? Well, Leon is, he has a whole lot of tutorials on YouTube and all that. So probably he's been able to water a whole lot of people when it comes to the dropshipping space. You can see he's got some reviews that he has added here, and he's got about him. You can see the man enjoying himself right there in the pool. And how you can get access, he said you have to you click the blue button, you input your email address, you get started, you go on, and pick a Shopify plan and blah blah blah. All right, so that is about this. Now let's talk about what you should know about this program. Alright, so talking about what you should know, the first thing is that you need to know that the program itself costs like $200 for a lifetime, okay, on a regular price. So I think this is still kind of small, okay, compared to several other dropshipping courses out there. Now, one thing you have to know is that I'm not an affiliate for this program, okay, so whatever I'm saying is just an honest review, okay, of my own what I see, okay. So now you need to know that this is still a little bit low, okay, compared to prices from other gurus out there that charges $1,000 for you to just learn from them, even though what they're even teaching is not even worth it. Okay, so this guy only charges $200 on a regular price, although it's $199, but that's roughly $200. So that is the first thing you have to know. However, the refund is not guaranteed. Okay, there is no refund with this, so in case you go ahead buy from him, you might really not get any refund. Okay, so that is another thing that you have to know about Ecom Strides by Leon Green. Okay, and Leon teaches dropshipping regularly. I mean, this guy has a YouTube channel. You can see right down the screen as a YouTube channel whereby he teaches dropshipping a whole lot of time. Like he talks about dropshipping, Shopify, with how you can use the Shopify to dropship and make money. So this guy is trying, okay, it's trying when it comes to dropshipping. So I give him his onions for that. Right, and it's a cheap cost, just like I said, compared to several other ones out there, because $199 is still $200 is still something that, although it might be high, okay, when it comes to you buying, but you can also still can compare it to several other courses out there that are very much expensive. All right, now, the first thing is that the fact that it's cheap doesn't mean it's worth your investment, because one thing I've got to realize is that, guys like Leon who come out to create a course, most of the time, even if you go ahead to, uh, check out their YouTube page, you likely realize that they've talked about everything they've known, okay? So them even creating a course will also be based on what they've talked about, all right? So him creating a course on dropshipping, and the fact that he has several dropshipping videos, doesn't necessarily mean that you are really gonna get results. Okay, so that is what you have to know, because most of the time, YouTube, somebody creating a video on YouTube is mostly about keyword research. Okay, so him getting his cost too cheap doesn't mean that you are gonna get results. Okay, so you're going ahead to invest in it is more like you're taking a risk. Okay, so, and it's worth taking risk. All right, so that is the first thing you have to know. And if you're a real follower of Leon, you might want to give it a try. After all, is what you guys has done is tried for you. So if you're a real follower, a real subscriber of Leon, and you follow his tutorial, then why not just give him a try and see what he's got in his inner circle. All right. Now, another thing you really need to know is that dropshipping is kind of very saturated, okay? Like, not even kind of, it's so saturated, okay? A lot of people, millions of people are into dropshipping, and they're always seeking for ways to sell more products, sell their products, sell more product, and only few are successful, okay? So, only few are successful in the dropshipping space, all right? A lot of people are into dropshipping. So, you need to know that when you're going into these, you are, you're going for a whole lot of competition, all right? I'm buttressing more about the competition level, which is kind of high. Now, those who watch this free tutorial are already, I mean, there are a whole lot of people that, kind of always, they are ready for when Leon drops the video. So, they are there. Those guys have already started using all the strategies. So, most of the strategies would have been taught in the free resource, okay? And also, those who were enrolled for his program, I think it got some people in some of my inner circle community, even on Reddit and several places, saying it's not really worth it, that even his free tutorial is it's enough, okay? But one thing I always tell people is that free tutorial sometimes is not always enough, because if you just try and say you just want to listen to a free tutorial, you won't really know what works. But if you try and buy a course, sometimes it helps because it takes you the right path, okay? But free tutorial is just all about different paths, different ways. So it's only if you know the way that you'll be able to get them together. All right. So sometimes everything is not about free tutorial. Sometimes you might want to invest, which is normal, but I also understand that as a beginner, you're trying as much as possible to be able to make maximum usage of any money that you are investing in this online space. Okay. And a whole lot of people have invested in all these coaching programs from all those gurus, and they didn't get any result. So it's fine if you feel that way. I understand clearly. But one thing you also need to know is that sometimes you gotta just pay a little for you to earn more. All right. So that is it about this. And in case you've tried out this program, okay, by Ecom Strides by Leon, you might want to drop your feedback in the reply box below, the comment box, and let's have your thought, and let's see what you experience about Ecom Strides, okay, our Leon, what Leon has given to you guys in order, so it's better that we are able to learn more from you also, okay. So that is it. That is what I have for you. And in case you're a beginner, I've always got people asking me, Maverick, okay, what should I go for? What should I go for? So you can go for these. Okay, it's still affordable. All right, it's also affordable. I feel it's cool. I'm not an affiliate, so but the only program that I am into, that I can tell you, okay, you can learn drop shipping, because I also do drop shipping, but I do more of affiliate marketing. So, and the only way I was able to learn drop shipping was because I joined Loaded Lab by Liam James K. Okay, so Loaded Lab by Liam is it's kind of a community, okay, whereby you get access to a lot of tutorials. All right, so I price tutorials on dropshipping, traffic, affiliate marketing, a whole lot of stuff, okay, e-commerce and a whole lot. So you join and you get access to everything at once. So that is what I joined. And at first I was all about affiliate marketing, but it was through Loaded Lab that I was able to start doing dropshipping, and I started getting results with it. Okay, so if you want to try out Loaded Lab, you can just click the link in the video description, or check the screen, you can see a link there. You can go ahead, give Loaded Lab a try, but trying out Leon also is not a bad move, okay. But if you're the kind of person that maybe you want a kind of investment that can, something much cheaper also, but where you get access to not only one course but several courses, so that you minimize cost instead of you paying for these, going to another guru to pay, go to another scholar to pay, like that. So everything is just in a community, and you also meet like-minded people, then you can just go for Loaded Lab. So just click the link in the video description, or check the screen, it's gonna be there, so for you to join Loaded Lab. All right. That is what I have for you today. Thank you very much for your time. I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, can you make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell, so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos like this. And also hit the like button, so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there. And I wish you the best of luck in your dropshipping and making money online journey. So best of luck to you. Peace, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.